say this was your kitchen, and you said, Jay, I want you to come out and we're going to remodel. So there's a couple ways you could look at this. You could either do a simple remodel, update by changing out doors and drawers and things like that. Because actually, these cabinets are actual wood cabinets. This is real wood. So the person that built these did a really good job. So, but it's outdated. And by that I mean like this. Nobody does this anymore. This right here. I mean, there's just some outdated things going on here. So, what I would suggest, and a lot of times, most homes I go into do not have real wood cabinets. They're usually MDF inside. So if I look in your cabinet and I see MDF, I'm going to say, that's got to go. Okay, so we would get rid of the cabinets if that was the case. And a couple things we'd want to do is, we would want to take this all the way to the ceiling. That's going to gain you more space. Or you could do separate cabinets up top and do lights in them, right? So it's a nice touch. The biggest thing that I see in most homes now that have a galley kitchen like this is they want to make it open, right? Because all the new homes are very open to the dining room, so or the living room. So what I could do here is actually take down this wall. We put this is a load bearing wall. We would put in a beam, and then we'd create an island right here, and we basically set up this area to be a big open kitchen. The other thing here is like these are the old outdated countertops, right? This is granite, which is great, and if you have laminate countertops, that's an upgrade. But this is kind of old style with the travertine backsplash. It's kind of old style. So at any rate, those are some things that you would right off the bat look to do in a kitchen like this. The other thing is some kitchens have this little peninsula that comes out, and really they just did this to gain some space, cabinet space. But you'd want to take this out because you want your walkways bigger. You don't want to be trying to open a refrigerator door. You got one person standing here in the door, nobody else can get by. So just some simple things. We didn't do these changes because this was a temporary place for us, but that's right off the bat what I would have done had we decided to invest money in that. So anyways, give us a call. I'd love to hear from you. Number's 972-896-9355, and I would love to come out and make your dream